So the point is to keep working on yourself and stuff, and to keep improving and empowering yourself, valuing yourself even more. Even if you've had a burnout scene, if you've had a bad relationship, you've had probably a bad, work scene, you've had a loss of someone, you've kind of had a health challenge or whatever, value yourself more and use that time to respect yourself more and grow yourself into a better person. And there is a community out there. Sometimes we're so used to those 4 5 people, and this is a term which people use, codependency, that without them we can't see ourselves and stuff. So I guess I'm one person, I'm not even married, and I'm, like I said, kidless. So the point is this, that if I were to look at security and if I were to look at someone else trying to complete me and to give me that joy or that happiness and stuff, I'm going to kind of fall short on my own self value and my self worth. So the point is this, that keep working on yourself and stuff, be engaged in certain activities and stuff, be a part and parcel of community, be a part and parcel of some circle of friends, sports, hobbies, maybe a health club, maybe a film institute, maybe an art gallery, and make it a point to visit a library and educate yourself even more, because when you go out and you step out and you go to a club, you meet different people at different stages of their lives, and once they start also opening up and sharing about their lives and stuff, on how they are and stuff, you'll have a lot of learning to do yourself. So love and luck and take care. Remember, Ikigai says balance is the key. It's not always about winning, it's not always about competition, it's also about improving, it's about evolving, it's about learning things, it's about teaching people also to become a lot better and stuff, and not overemphasizing and falling too much into mental health and emotional health, because life doesn't start there and life doesn't end there. So it has to be broader stuff, bigger stuff, and this word like stress and pressure and everything shouldn't come into your mind, because they say Rome was not built a day. If people like Mr. Ratan Tata or Elon Musk, or let's say people who are running big businesses were entertaining terminologies like this, they would have not been building brands and running campaigns and stuff like that. So avoid letting words like these also get into the picture and stuff, because it doesn't help. It just brings the energy and the whole dynamics of the brand and people associated and even the country down. So that's that. I'm on jkapani@gmail.com, justine@gmail.com. Ask yourself 4 5 questions. Why do I want to do it? What is the rationale behind this? What is the objective behind this? How will I benefit myself? How will the world and people around me benefit from it? And if I'm a part of a community, or if I'm a part of an organization, are people also going to benefit about from it or not, or is it just going to be me? Because if it's just going to be me, then it's going to be a self-centered story and stuff like that. So love and luck and take care and have fun. Bye bye.